up everybody, so welcome back to part 2. As we were going, I'm moving along here, getting down on here, and then I'm going to turn, and then you see if it's up, I'm going to turn and do it. Ding, 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 ding. And then I'm going to come back over here. Since I can't go backwards, I'm going this way, and then over here, and then I'm turning back. Now I'm in here, unload. Now, since everybody's off, I'm going to go back over here, and I'm going to turn around. I'm going to go forward, and then go backwards, take the top, close its head. I'm going to turn around and get the D2 into the sun. Bye, thank you for watching.